Looking for a versatile kitchen gadget that can replace several appliances and save you time, space, and energy? This Anfilank 10-in-1 programmable slow cooker with timer is here to meet all your cooking needs. From slow cooking to sous vide, baking, sautéing, and even rice cooking. This all-in-one cooking powerhouse is designed to streamline meal preparation, offering restaurant-style results with convenience and ease, right in your own kitchen. In this review, we'll dive into the impressive features and benefits of this multitasking marvel that will make it a staple in your home. Key features and benefits. Say goodbye to cluttered kitchen counters and the need for multiple cooking gadgets. The Anfilank multi-cooker combines the functions of several tools: slow cooker, steam oven, food warmer, non-stick pot, sauté pan, cast iron skillet, saucier, steamer, saucepan, stock pot, Dutch oven, roasting pan, bread maker, and utensil. It even comes with useful accessories, including a sous vide rack, steam rack, and slotted spoon, making it a complete cooking system in one device. With its generous 6.8 quart capacity, the Anfilank multi-cooker is designed for family-sized meals or entertaining guests. Whether you're making soups, stews, roasts, or rice, there's plenty of room to cook large portions with ease. Traditional slow cookers can take hours, but the Anfilank's advanced bottom heating, side heating, and steam heating work together to cook up to 30% faster than conventional cookers. This means you can enjoy tender, juicy meals with less waiting, making it ideal for busy individuals and families. The Anfilank multi-cooker gives you complete control over your cooking, with a temperature range from 104 degrees to 394 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're making slow-cooked meat or high-heat sautéed vegetables, you can set the perfect temperature for each dish. It also features a programmable cooking time from 10 minutes to 24 hours, ensuring the flexibility to cook meals according to your schedule. The non-stick cooking pot makes cleanup a breeze, allowing you to simply wipe away messes. The pot is made from a ceramic coating that's PFOA, cadmium, and lead-free, ensuring safety for you and your family. This coating is 4 times more durable than standard non-stick coatings, ensuring longevity and reducing the risk of wear and tear over time. Unlike many other slow cookers that require you to sear meat or sauté vegetables separately, the Anfilank multi-cooker allows you to sear and sauté directly in the cooking pot. Using the powerful bottom heating elements, you can brown your proteins and vegetables without transferring to the stovetop, which simplifies your cooking process and reduces cleanup time. The specialized rice function ensures you never have to worry about undercooked or overcooked rice again. With automatic adjustments for time and temperature, the cooker prepares perfectly cooked rice at the push of a button, making it perfect for busy weeknights or dinner parties. The non-stick crock-pot is dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. While the pot itself can be cleaned in the dishwasher, it's recommended to hand wash it to extend its life. The brushed stainless steel exterior not only gives the Anfilank a sleek and modern look, but also ensures durability. It's designed to withstand daily use while maintaining its beautiful appearance. Why choose Anfilank 10-in-1 programmable slow cooker? The Anfilank multi-cooker isn't just another kitchen appliance. It's a complete cooking solution that saves you time, money, and valuable counter space. Here's why this programmable slow cooker should be at the top of your list. Space-saving design. With its compact size, 12.5 by 8.8 by 4.3 inches, the Anfilank cooker doesn't take up much space on your counter, but can handle large cooking tasks with ease. Versatility. It replaces 14 different cooking appliances, making it a true all-in-one solution. Fast cooking. Enjoy the benefits of slower cooking methods, but in less time, thanks to its advanced heating technology. User-friendly. The intuitive LED display allows easy adjustments of cooking times and temperatures, ideal for both beginners and experienced cooks. Health-conscious cooking. The non-stick ceramic-coated pot ensures you can cook without the need for excess oils and fats, providing healthier meals. Durable and stylish. Its high-quality stainless steel exterior and non-stick cooking pot offer both durability and style. Final thoughts? Ready to upgrade your kitchen? If you're ready to take your cooking to the next level with a versatile, space-saving appliance, the Anfilank 10-in-1 programmable slow cooker is a must-have. Its powerful features, Ease of use and ability to replace multiple kitchen appliances make it a fantastic addition to any home. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.